Queen City News is staying on top of that breaking news out of Raleigh this afternoon. North Carolina Attorney General and Governor-elect Josh Stein and Governor Roy Cooper are taking legal action over the stripping of power in Senate Bill 382. That bill was forced into law yesterday after both chambers of the State General Assembly voted to override the governor's veto. The bill promised disaster relief for Western North Carolina, but also took away major power from the governor, lieutenant governor, attorney general, and state superintendent. All of these officers will be filled by Democrats next year. Cooper and Stein filed a lawsuit against House Speaker Tim Moore and Senate President Pro Tem Phil Berger, calling the bill unconstitutional. Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes is here. Khalif, you've been thumbing through this lawsuit here for the last few minutes. Get your hands on it. What stands out to you?
Last few minutes, right? This thing just came hot off the press as I printed it out. It's about 69 pages, but 25 of them are the really crucial, important pieces. Most of the other things are not crucial to the complaint. They're just exhibits. So looking at those 25, there's one thing that they're asking for in here. They're not talking about all of the other litany of complaints and issues that we've talked about for the last couple of days. They're talking about how within this new bill that they have basically reorganized the State Highway Patrol and created a cabinet level legislatively appointed commander of the patrol, and he is equivalent of a cabinet level what the government doesn't appoint and the government has no control over. They're saying in essence you stripped the governor of power that you constitutionally don't have an ability or authority to do.
So there's also a lot of other legal actions there taking away power from, especially when it comes to the elections board too.
It is. That is major. But here, this complaint is solely on him. It's saying that, listen, you guys have violated the separation of power. You violated the Equal Protection Clause. There are a number of violations in here, and they're asking for the court to give declaratory judgment. They're saying we need a permanent injunction, we need a temporary injunction, and we need declaratory judgment. Basically saying, Your Honor, we need you to declare that what they did is unlawful and unconstitutional. And because we have difference of agreement, the only way this can get decided is if you, Your Honor, tells them that they can't do this anymore.
So when do you think this goes before a judge, the time frame of this type of thing? And what do they need to do to get some sort of grant here for an injunction?
Instantly. So if you're asking for a temporary injunction, you have to prove a couple of things. You have to prove that you are likely to be successful on the merits, meaning that your underlying case has teeth, has legs, you can win in the end, that you will have irreparable harm. That means that I can't pay you money to fix your harm. Josh Stein is saying, hey, you've taken the power away from me. Money can't fix that. So he checks that box. If you're able to check those boxes, then you should be able to be successful in your type of claim. The issue is when you're asking for a temporary injunction, it's fast. So answering all your questions, success on the merit, likely success on the merits, are you able to have some irreparable harm, and is this immediate? Is there something that can be fixed now, or can it be fixed later? They're asking for a temporary and a permanent injunction, but the injunction standard is still the same. And if you're looking at this, they're using their own language against them. They cite the McCrory case. When McCrory tried to do something, he sued. The General Assembly tried to go behind him, and the court said the governor has authority that's vested in him specifically based on his office. So you can't remove powers individually. I think this case is great. I'm surprised that they filed it this fast, and it was only directed at that one seat that they believe that they unlawfully took.
All right. It's certainly going to be something we're going to have to keep tracking. It's been the talk of a lot of political pundits nationwide, not just here in North Carolina.
For sure.
Right.